I'm just so excited today. I opened my Canva and what did I see? But the new docs. I'm Kim Morrison from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. And I'm going to go straight over to my screen so you can see this new exciting launch from Canva. I'm on my home screen now, and here is the Canva Docs. Before I click on the Start Writing, I'm going to go to what I saw when I opened the doc. And it was a warm welcome to Canva Docs. I'm just going to take you through this because while it might seem a little boring, I think it'll be great to go through. There's 6 features that they think we'll love. So one is the Meet the Plus button. You click on the page and it pops to the left-hand side and it looks like that, or it looks slightly different if you're on mobile. And then you can try it now. I've already clicked it. And then if you click, and then again, you can decide what you want to add. I can embed a table, I can put a checklist in, let's put an emoji in because I'm so happy that it's here. It's a really big smiley emoji. And it's that easy. The next amazing feature is Magic Write. And this is powered by AI and will actually help you write your copy. So it's fantastic. You can write a heartfelt poem, write a children's story, write a cloud or rainbow, write a social media strategy. I'm going to try this now. Plus button has come up and I just have to click on Magic Write. And you can see this is what I need to do. So Magic Write is your AI-powered writing assistant to help you quickly kickstart or brainstorm ideas. And you can describe the text you want and Magic Write will generate content. Let's try this out. Open this Magic Write box. I have prepared some tips already, but the ones I'm going to add to this are going to be 5 graphic design tips for social media. Let's see what they come up with. These are great. These are brilliant. I'm really pleased with these, and they're not that dissimilar from the ones I did. Keep it simple, which is really important. Use strong visual elements, be consistent, keep it relevant, use calls to action. Fantastic tips. I love this new Magic Write option. That was magic. Let's look at the third feature. And this is easily add a design to your Canva doc. So you can create and edit designs without leaving the page. Super helpful if you want to create a banner like the one above or some visuals in your doc. Okay, let's try it now. Again, click on this little magic button, select design, and then design away. So I've clicked on design. Canva took a little longer to load on this one. We'll need to be patient. It's getting close to Christmas. I'm going to go to Christmas designs. Let's have a quick look. And I think I'll go with the first one I saw, which is very pretty. It is a pro. And if you would like to try a Canva Pro account, I will add a link below this video where you can sign up for a free trial. I'm going to leave this as it is, and then I need to click Save, and then it adds it to your design. I am just loving this. So the fourth feature is to embed your Canva designs. Embed other designs and documents by copying and pasting the project link, or just drag and drop them in. I've opened up a video that I did as the introduction to my Canva quick tip from last week, and I'll show you where you find the embed code. So click on Share, go on to More, and then click Embed. So I'm going to click on this. You can see my embed links have been done, and I think this will be I think we'll use the Smart Embed link. So I'm going to copy that one, go back to here, scroll down to Embed, and then paste my link in here and enter. And it's embedded it. So now you know how to find your embed link and to embed it in your document. The fifth feature we're going to look at is a bit of emoji fun. If you wrote a word colon like this, just search for an emoji, type out star below, and let's see what you get. I get all these star emojis. These are brilliant. So loving this. Let's try another one because I can't resist. Let's do sun. And we'll do a happy smiley sun. And then you can invite your team to collaborate. And I'm not going to demonstrate this one to you because you might not have a team, so it may not be relevant, but I just thought you'd see it. And you can click the share button at the top of the page, invite anyone to join your Canva Doc. We'll also share feedback. It's amazing. I'm loving Canva Docs. I hope you do too. I encourage you to go and try. You should get this as an option to learn how to use it. But I hope this video has helped you. And I'll see you next week.